And I think it's going to be the same result. It is. What striking from Dan Christian. 4 sixes, game over.
Oh, back goes, ball goes.
Fielder scrambling around out there in the sodden outfield.
That is a beautiful shot, straight down the ground. Slapped.
For the veteran, 35 years young.
Catch it! Yeah!
Oh, excellent catch. Samit Patel, he's in the game straight away. That was hit hard, it was hit flat, but it picked Mullaney out.
Cut!
Oh, big shot out into the leg side.
Excellent batting.
That's going to beat Fine Leg, who's up in the circle, should be fought.
Catch it!
Swept away, and he's a strong lad, is Liam Livingston. First 6 for him, to go with a couple of boundary 4s as well.
Catch it!
Swept again. Not sure this time he's got enough. No, he hasn't. So an important wicket for the Outlaws. Livingston, just as he was starting to motor, looking to repeat the 6 from earlier in the over, has gone for 22. Leg side he goes, and goes well. Yep, over deep square leg. He did well to get across so that he could help that over to the leg side. Given. Vyas looking to reverse sweep, has missed it, and fairly straightforward decision and success for Matt Carter. Swung away, leg side, not enough. Taken, easily taken. And Croft kicks the turf in frustration. The acceleration he was looking for won't come from him. Only one, should be one, as they come back for a second. Not sure Jennings will make it. A full-length dive, and it'll be tight, but it's not the boundary he was looking for. And Notts will feel that they've done pretty well to restrict Lancashire to a score of below 100.
Down the track and banged over long on. That's high quality from Duckett. Slashed away. That's a poor ball. Well, that's flown. That's flown away over third man. Look leg side to the short boundary. 2 fielders converging. Taken. It's a really good catch from Stephen Croft. It looked straightforward as it landed in his hands, but he had a little bit of a jig underneath it as he tried to line it up under the lights. Oh my goodness me. What a shot that is. That is an absolute outrage from Joe Clark. Huge. That boundary's not big enough for Alex Hales. Oh, he's knocked him over. That is an absolute ripper. What a beauty. That is a sensational delivery.
Yeah, a bit of drop and a lot of spin as well. Hales done again, exactly like he was at Trent Bridge a couple of days ago.
It's gone a long, long way back. Joe Clark is a man in supreme confidence.
Catch that!
Straight up in the air. Gone. Dane Villars, the captain. Spin to win for Lancashire. They've got to pick up wickets and keep doing so to keep this Outlaws unit at bay.
Yeah!
Oh, yes! Lancashire are not dead yet.
That's it, boys.
Just done by the Yorker.
Leggy there. There is that short boundary. It's been nailed into the Hollies for 6. And again, same result. 6 more.
Exceptional striking from Dan Christian.
Goes again. 6 more. Game-changing over.
6, 6, 6 after a dot ball to start. And this over has changed everything.
And I think it's going to be the same result. It is. What striking from Dan Christian. 4 sixes, game over. Oh, gone, tossed up. Parkinson again continues to impress. He's been left with too much to do, but he keeps trying. Christian's cameo was a game-changing one. And he hits it over long on. There's a fielder out there, but he'll go away for 4. And that is a comprehensive win for Nottinghamshire. Brilliant little innings towards the end. They took the pressure. They have their redemption from last year's semi-final when they choked against Worcestershire. No choke tonight. They will face Surrey in the final. Lancashire go out.